Hello there and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to hide keyboard. So this is the application which I have already created. So here we have keyboard, one is email and another one is password. So if I click here, so first of all, shortcut to toggle keyboard is Command K. So I'll bring up the on-screen keyboard and I'll tap anywhere on the screen and keyboard goes away. So let's suppose I'm currently on the password field and I hit enter return, it goes away as well. But if I'm in the email field and I hit return, it will go down to password field. Then if again I hit return, it will dismiss. So let's get started. Here I have already created a new project. So under main.storyboard, I will add two text fields. So first of all, let's change the background color to gray and put it here and just duplicate it. So let's give some constraints. It will be 250 from top, 50 from left, 50 from right, and a fixed height of 30. And this one will be let's say 10 from the top text field, 50 from left, 50 from right, and a fixed height. Okay, and this will be centrally aligned and a placeholder will be email, just to make it beautiful. Doesn't matter, but this video is short anyways. So now let's take outlets for this to text field. So this will be email field and another one will be password field. So we are done with the storyboard part. Let's hop over to our view controller. So first we will solve the problem with the touch part. So whenever you touch on screen other than text field, the keyboard should disappear. Okay, so under Viewdidload, start typing touches and you will see this method touchesBegan underscore touches. We need that one. So here we will just say self.view.endEditing force, and force will be true, which requires a boolean. So that's it. Let's run the application and the touch part is over. This is my previous application. Just wait for it. Wait for it. And it's installing. So and the application is here. So if I select email and hit on screen, it goes away. But let's suppose if I return, nothing happens, not even on the email field. Okay, so let's code that part. So for that we need a UI text field delegate. So it will be UI text field delegate. So this means that class view controller is confirming to protocol UI text field delegate. So anyways, we need to assign our text fields delegate in Viewdidload. So I will say email field dot delegate is equal to self and password field dot delegate is equal to self as well. And after that, if you command click on UI text field delegate and jump to definition, there are multiple delegate functions. So the one which we need is should return editing. Okay, should return. Okay, this one text field should return. Okay, so let's not copy this part right now. We can just start typing here. So we will say text field should return. So that's the first one. Make sure the name is correct, and here we get text field as parameter, so we can test which text field is selected. So I will say if text field is equal to my email field, then I will change the responder. Okay, so I need to change the keyboard from email field to password field. So I will just say password field dot become first responder. Okay, keyboard is the first responder, and you can give that keyboard to password field. That's what it means in simple terms. So else if text field is equal to password field. See, if you have more than two text field, the logic goes like the same. Okay, just do else if for how many ever you want. Okay, and in the password field we will say okay, we will resign the first responder. So here we will say text field dot resign first responder. Okay, the only reason I'm not using password field right now is both of them are same inside this else if, because text field is equal to password field. You can change this to password field as well, and for this function you need to return a boolean. So I will say just return true doesn't matter anyways. So let's run the application for one last time and see how it works. So clicked here, touch on the screen, works. So email, hit return, goes to password field, hit return, dismiss, password, return, dismiss. So that's how you hide the keyboard. If you have any questions, post them in comments. If you like my video, thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel for future videos. And you can follow me on Twitter as well, and I'm like very fast at giving responses on Twitter, so go there and follow. Cool. Goodbye.